So, now we will do next characteristics of the sound wave, that we can say that is a quality. It is called quality, or we can say timbre. Actually, quality or timbre enables us to distinguish between two sounds having the same pitch and same loudness. So, for example, there are the two sources of the sound having the same frequency, same loudness, but you can easily recognize which one is the sound of the which instrument. Similarly, with the persons, you sometimes you recognizes the person just by hearing the sound. So, the quality is here. By using quality, that means this characteristics of the wave, we can distinguish between the sounds of the same frequency and same loudness. And if there is a sound of the single frequency, we call it, that is called a tone, and if the frequencies are mixed, then we call it as a note. So, if the sound is rich in quality, it has got a pleasant sound, and if it is not rich one, then we can say that is unpleasant sound. Unpleasant sound is referred as noise, and pleasant sound is referred as here the music. So, now we will do relation between speed, wavelength and time period. So, similarly, simply we can say that we are going to find the formula for the wave velocity. So, we can take here wave velocity, or you can call here speed. Suppose you have taken wave like this. Here I have taken density because we are discussing about only sound. This side I have taken here time. So, see here, if you take this is a starting point, this is one side here half oscillation, half vibrations, and this comes here, the vibration gets complete. This is T. So, the distance between this point from here to here, if we take it is here the wavelength, which is actually equal to distance between these two crests also. So, we call it lambda, that is wavelength. So, to travel lambda distance, wave has taken time t. So, we can write velocity is equal to lambda upon t. 1 upon t is known as frequency. So, we can write v is equal to lambda into nu, and this is nu pronounced as this nu and symbol for frequency. So, this is the relation between velocity, wavelength and frequency. By using this relation, if one quantity or two quantities are given, you can calculate the third quantity. Suppose if you are given the wavelength and number of the wave produced per second, you can calculate velocity of the wave. So, just after this relation, now we have to do like a speed here, the speed of sound in different media. See here, speed of sound in different medium. See here, speed of sound basically depends on the two factors, which are here. One is the, you can say, density of the medium, another is the temperature. So, when sound travels through the medium, there is a variation in the density, and also at the different temperature, same medium has got different speed for the sound. So, now just we will see the speed of the sound in different medium, and then we will compare all these speeds.